Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm in Hong Kong, and basically I kind of want to check out this because it's like a Portuguese one. And then this is basically you can go right up here into Hong Kong. This is called Wanchai. So let's just take a look and see some of the murals here. And some tapas, so it's kind of a tapas of Spain. Kind of looks Portuguese. Yeah. Let's see. It's kind of interesting. And it has a mural here too. So this whole mural, oh, there's a tapas lunch. Okay, let's see. You can see that. Sangria, yeah, it is Portugal. Okay, oh, Spain, Portugal, Nevada. It looks like it has kind of cool artwork all around it. Okay, and across the street is Five Guys, which is another restaurant. So I filmed over here not too long ago, but I'll film again today. So, so yeah, basically I wanted to show you that Portuguese / Spanish restaurant, and then we're over here at Wanchai. So I'm just gonna film a little bit there. You have these things. Okay. And so we'll conclude that. It's basically the Spanish restaurant plus Five Guys. I just ate in there actually. All right.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.